Okay, kids, we are going to play with one of the coolest little virtual labs that I've seen put together for physics in a long time. And that's, hey, you can thank the COVID thingy for going on because some people are really creating some really cool stuff at some universities that are way beyond my abilities and most teachers' abilities to put this software together. So, anyway, we're going to set up a really simple circuit dealing with the three variables of Ohm's law: volts, amps, and resistance. Okay. Now you've seen circuit diagrams of how it works, whatever. But what I'm going to have you do is show you how we do the basics of this. Now the first thing we're going to do is remember we need some sort of charge pump, and over here's our charge pump. We can do is we will put out a battery. We pull it out, drag it out, and what's cool about it is that we can spin this thing and move it wherever we want. So we're going to spin it like this. And what I'm going to do from there is now we can attach wires. So our wires are going to travel along like this. We bring our wire right here. You can put it down and it clicks and connects. We can drag the wire, make it longer, and pull it way out. So there's one wire. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is in here is I want to put in a resistor. So right here, we're not going to, at this point right now, we're not going to be able to read resistors. So we're going to pull this resistor out, bring it out here. Click it in, drag this end down like that. So now, boom, we got a resistor. Okay. Now, remember, think of flow of water. So right now, this stream isn't connected. This pipe is not connected. So we need one more wire. So you grab it, pull it down, put it in here, click and drag, clunk, boom. Hey, check it out. And we can edit these things or whatever else, or we can cut it and move it, whatever. But now we've got the flow of current. You see this? Okay, so we watch this current go, but right now we have no idea what we're looking at as far as the amount of current. Okay, so what I'm going to do is over here on this other side, I've got voltmeters and ammeters. The first thing I want to do now is I want to add an ammeter. So I'm going to bring this out and look, I got nowhere to go with it. Okay, so what I can do with this is I can take and I can cut in a location. I go like here, snip. I can bring this over, bring this up like this, okay, or wherever I want. I don't care how you want to do it. Bring this in, and my current meter, here's another wire, so I gotta bring this wire over, click it in, click, click, and boom. Okay, see how I got it? All right, and now I like making it look pretty. So there we go. Now the thing with the current wire, hey, how do you measure the current going in the stream? You got to put something in the water, right? No different than an ammeter. That's what this is an ammeter. This ammeter has to be in the stream itself, okay? You've got to have it in there in order for it to measure the flow of current going through this system, okay? So there's your amps, all right? Now, what I want you to do is go over here and click on the voltmeter. So you can click on the voltmeter, and ta-da, I can bring this voltmeter out, bring it over somewhere. And right now, I'm just going to leave it, well, I can put it anywhere. And what's cool is I can now take the leads and I can test the voltage on either side of whatever I'm working with here. Let me tilt this down just a little bit. So I can go here and go there. Hey, it says 9 volts. Check it out. Okay. Now, what I can do with this is I can alter a few things where I can, I can go over here. I can click on battery resistance or wire resistivity. I can make it tiny, or I can increase the resistivity of the wire. Okay. Battery resist, I get ohms. I'm not going to worry about that so much. And also over here, I can click on the battery, and what's really cool, if I go down below here, see this, what I did? I clicked, and now I can change the volts. So if I change the volts, I can move it all the way up like that. You get it? Okay. So I can change the volts, and right now I got it down to 0 volts, so nothing's happening. Okay. And that's how we mess with it. So you're going to change the volts, and also right here, I can change the resistance. So I clicked on the resistor, and I change the resistance. So we go way up, way down, just like that. So What we're going to do is we're going to set this up, and then I'm going to have a worksheet that goes with this. I'd set it up like this, and then go ahead and, split your screen, put the lab on one side and put all this on the other. I'm going to have you do some questions about what happens when you alter a few of these things. Okay. So anyway, this is exactly what we would do in class with the exact same equipment, and we would see what happens with Ohm's law. All right. So let me know if you got any questions. Okay.